What's up, everybody? Happy Valentine's Day. So, tonight I am eating Jersey Mike's giant tuna sub. This is one of my favorite places to get, a tuna sub. This is like the best. What I get on my end is, it's not cut all the way through, but what I like on my tuna subs, I get lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, banana peppers, salt and pepper, and then I get some vinegar and oil separated so I could put it on myself, because sometimes by the time I get from their place to home, it's soggy. But this is going to be my dinner on Valentine's Day and probably my late night snack. Maybe breakfast in the morning. Who knows? But I sure will eat the whole entire thing. I love their subs. They have really good steak and cheese. My favorite steak and cheese there is the Chipotle steak and cheese. All right, so I was trying to get steak and make it at home, but I went everywhere. Walmart, Sam's Club, Wegmans. Nobody had steaks. There was no steaks anywhere. I couldn't get any kind of steaks. The shelves were empty. So I got myself a tuna. This is really, really good. If you guys eat Jersey Mike's, let me know in the comments below your favorite. Maybe it's something I've never had before, and I can give it a try next time I go there. So good. All right, guys. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of the sandwich and the sub, and go watch some Love Savvy reality Love Island and call it a night. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Later.